IVM.
Welcome to Paisa Vaisa with Anupam Gupta. This show is a way to help you navigate through the world of money, where to save, how to earn, what to invest in. All you have to do is ask.
Okay, hi Utsav. We got a question from our listener. He is new to startup investing and he says that he is qualified. He's got that minimum net worth and he has enough money to invest. He wants to know just the basics. What should he be aware of? What's startup investing about?
So that's glad that he's, looking at this as a asset class. It shouldn't exceed maybe 1 to 5% of your total portfolio. This is super illiquid, super risky. Mm-hmm. Come to a platform like AngelList where we sort of give you these syndicate leads who might be the best people to shadow and follow to do your first few investments before you develop that pattern recognition and the ability to sort of judge an investment opportunity in a private company. Mm-hmm. And that's where we sort of handhold you and guide you in assembling these best syndicate leads from the country who you can follow. Okay. For your first investments, few investments.
What kind of average times should, a time horizon should I look at keeping my funds locked into or whatever it is?
At an average, a company takes at least 7 years to build. Okay. You can get an exit option early on also depending on secondary or if the company is sold to another larger company, but keep 7 years in mind. Okay. And don't expect any regular updates from these companies because most of these guys are overworked, exerted. So these are always irregular in terms of company updates as well. And
Okay, folks, so log on to angel.co or reach out to Utsav on Twitter. He's at Somani_Utsav and you can ask him your questions out there. Thank you for listening.
Thanks so much for listening. That was Anupam Gupta on Paisa Vaisa. If you have any money-related questions, you can tweet to us at IVM Podcasts or email us at paisavaisa@indusvox.com. No material on the show should be considered as financial advice. The material on the show is for informational purposes only. Please consult a financial advisor before taking any investment decision.
There she stands, a podcast addict. Outside the bank, having traveled several miles to get in with other poor souls like her. The journey, though daunting for this youngling, will have some comfort because she has downloaded her favorite podcast. You can see more of her species on ivmpodcasts.com, your one-stop destination where you can check out the coolest Indian podcasts. Happy listening.